Can we use WhatsApp without phone number? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll discuss if we can use WhatsApp without phone number. Now this does sound quite interesting, so before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's begin. So for the initial part of WhatsApp, you will need a mobile number to initiate an account. So after you do have an account, you can then take out your SIM, not use a SIM card, but still use your account. So that's one thing here. So while WhatsApp does require a phone number, it does not necessarily have to be your personal mobile number. You can also set up a linked device. So for that, open up your WhatsApp, make sure you're logged in. If you head over to your settings section, you'll see the linked device. So for this, you can set up your WhatsApp. You can open your account up on your device, such as your laptop or anything else that does not support a phone number, and link it from here. So you can link your device from here, but yeah, at the end, you will actually need a mobile number to start a phone number, to start an account and to keep, your keep it for the verification of your account. And I hope this answers your question. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.